Hello students, I welcome you all back to AVK's Academy. So today I am in front of each and every one of you to discuss the CAPF 2020 paper 2 analysis. इस पेपर के बारे में पूरा एनालिसिस हम आज इस वीडियो में करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले I just wanted to make sure to each and every one of you that what are the struggle of AVK's Academy in the past 1 year and what is the success we achieved. The direct hits which are in respect to any of the attachment to AVK's Academy, direct hits are seen visible in the paper 2 examination. And कुछ direct hits कहाँ से है करके यदि हम देखेंगे, essays, argument and report. If I observe the question paper of 2020, we are having the paper 2 book which was a grand success. ठीक है, paper 2 book से I can prove that there are almost like 5 to 6 titles which are directly from the book itself. With that, test series was very helpful. We have trained like more than 1500 students, more than 1500 papers we have been evaluating day and night of the CAPF serious aspirants. The paper 2 course, the English, grammar, report, argument, essay, comprehension, the paper 2 course was also been a very successful venture this time, and that is the reason the CAPF, if anyone is making themselves fall into the difficult zone, making themselves think they are being trouble in the CAPF preparation, then ultimately they need to think of AVK's Academy, because AVK's Academy have been successful in its efforts of delivering the promising content. And at the same time, one more important announcement is the online course for the paper 2 is soon going to launch at the AVK's Academy. So keep waiting. We are going to come up with a very advantageous course for each and every one of you who are aspiring for 2021. Okay, if we observe, for example, if we observe the paper 2 in questions in essay writing, what are the questions that are being asked? And the first question is emerging threats to the India's internal security. For instance, if I observe the question number 1, which suggests that emerging threats to the India's internal security. So in our paper 2 book, there is a question of a similar title was given in page number 311. Clear? In the page number 311, in the paper 2 book, we have given the same title, Emerging Threats to the India's Internal Security. Crime against women is an expression of male domination. Is an expression of male domination, that is the societal transformation which was seen recommended in the title number 2. Crime against women is an expression of male domination. Again, something in connection to the women and women empowerment and the women crime against women. Everything we have been covered in page number 272 as well as in the page number 223, which are either directly or indirectly connected with the same title. Crisis of credibility in Indian electronic media. Media as a threat to the democracy was again the title given in page number 190. Though electronic media word was not used, but the media was directly taken into the proper consideration. Securing India's international borders is a challenging exercise for the Indian armed forces. Clear? That is, say, we have got internal also, we have got international also. So we have been giving this question not once but twice. The same question with the same lining was asked in the one of the test series as well. Parenting in a competitive Indian society is a challenge. Parenting. This is something which is seemed to be the generalistic title. Yani very generally this title has to be approached, because you need to put your presence of mind, you need to put your immediate on-spot thinking, the spontaneity will be working out if this particular title comes. Parenting in a competitive Indian society is a challenge. Competitive, be it in terms of sports, the kids should fight. Be it in terms of education, be it in terms of ranking, be it in terms of growing up, be it in terms of sports, anywhere. They need to perform well. when a child will perform well, only when the parents are giving them the proper guidance or the proper coaching or the proper parental occupations or the parental developmental techniques that needs to be highlighted in the essay. So if I consider this particular titles here, very easy titles, very predicted titles as well. Threats to the India's internal security. Again, there are multiple threats like cyber attacks, the Jammu and Kashmir issue, the Naxalism, the Maoism, etc., etc., etc. So that can be highlighted. Crime against women is an expression of the male domination. Again, the societal thing will be coming into the picture here. यहाँ पर आपको महिलाओं के बारे में जो भी क्राइम होता है वो मर्द के तरफ से देखा जाए तो वो एक तरफ से डोमिनेशन लगेगा, ठीक है, वो बात आपको कहना पड़ेगा. इंडियन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया क्रेडिबिलिटी के बारे में एक सवाल, बहुत ही आसान सवाल पूछा है. फिर उसके साथ इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस का जो एक्सटर्नल बाउंड्रीज है, इंडिया इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर्स यानी नेबरिंग कंट्रीज, इसको कुछ हम इस तरह से दिए ना, नेबरिंग कंट्रीज फर्स्ट या फिर एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी. कई सारा क्वेश्चंस, कई सारा टाइटल्स हम नेबरिंग कंट्रीज के रेलेवेंस में, बॉर्डर्स के रेलेवेंस में हमने टाइटल्स आप सभी को दिया है. एंड दैट इज द रीजन वी आर बीन प्रूवन वंस अगेन दैट the game changers are AVKS Academy. Though you may be thinking that we are promoting more and more, it's not about the promotion, it's the happiness. What we share with you is our happiness. What we are happy. Why are we happy? Because we have as a team have trained multiple students, and we as a team have been successful in training the multiple students. How will it be successful? Not only by getting the questions in the examination, but ultimately the real success what we enjoy is when you students are getting selected. आपका जब selection होता है तब उससे ज़्यादा खुशी हमें कुछ भी नहीं होता. सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका selection ही हमारा achievement है, आपका selection ही हमारा success है, आपका selection ही हमारा growth है. ठीक है, that is the reason we are working day and night rigorously in order to achieve that particular concept. And if you observe the other section, guys, the reports writing section, again they were also direct hits from AVKS Academy, that is through the test series and also through the AVKS Academy the paper 2 book. Paper 2 book के अंदर सिर्फ not only this book, इस किताब के बाद we have also given several additional titles to the students. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये book कहीं बीच में जून के महीने में रिलीज हुआ था. बच्चे परेशान थे कि जून महीने के बाद हमारा एडिशनल टाइटल्स या फिर एडिशनल कंटेंट किस तरह से आएंगे, और इसीलिए वी हैव आल्सो गिवन द एडिशनल टाइटल्स टू ऑल दोज हु हैव परचेज्ड आवर पेपर 2 बुक. विद दैट प्रोविजंस टू द प्राइमरी एजुकेशन सेक्टर इन द न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 का जो नया शिक्षा सूची जो है, न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी जो है, उसके अंदर प्राइमरी एजुकेशन में क्या क्या बदलाव आने वाला है, व्हाट आर द प्रोविजंस दैट आर बीन प्रोवाइडेड वाज द रिपोर्ट राइटिंग. एंड इनफैक्ट इम्पैक्ट ऑफ न्यू एग्रीकल्चरल लॉस ऑन फार्मर्स. ठीक है, 3 लॉस जो है उसके बाद किसानों पे क्या अक्सर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा, दैट वाज द क्वेश्चन, वेरी प्रिडिक्टेड क्वेश्चन अगेन आस्क्ड इन द रिपोर्ट राइटिंग. सो रिपोर्ट राइटिंग वाज ऑलमोस्ट ऑल अराउंड द करंट बेस्ड और द करंट ओरिएंटेड एसेस. ठीक है, हाल ही में जो भी न्यूज़ हमने पढ़ा है, हाल ही में जो भी इंसिडेंट्स हम देख रहे हैं, वही रिपोर्ट्स आप सभी से पूछा गया है, और इसीलिए दिस विल ऑल्सो बी द मोस्ट ईजिएस्ट पार्ट ऑल टुगेदर. एंड AVKS Academy have been training students in giving the proper report writing कंटेंट. ठीक है, कंटेंट और फ्रेमवर्क्स में हमने बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है. फ्रेमवर्क्स किस तरह से होना चाहिए, व्हाट शुड बी द फॉर्मेट ऑफ राइटिंग अ रिपोर्ट, एवरीथिंग वी हैव ट्रेन्ड द स्टूडेंट्स इन अ great manner. And also argument writing, this is slightly a difficult part what students usually say me after the examination. ठीक है, एग्जाम खत्म होने के बाद ही बच्चे मेरे से कहते हैं कि this was altogether the slightly a difficult part in our paper 2 as such. लेकिन I'll just tell you one thing, guys, this argument writing, it is not the difficult one, rather it is the different one. In the CAPF examination history what it had, though indirectly they will be generating the statement, but the linings, the words which are being used might be slightly difficult, but if you go with the literal sense of the meaning of the statement, then that will be the most easiest part once again. If, for example, we have been giving the content also with respect to the COVID. We have been training students in facing such a difficult questions as well. Clear, guys? So first question देखिएगा, solitude during pandemic is not unwelcome. Solitude मतलब क्या है? Solitude is nothing but it is like a loneliness. So if you observe this, the solitude during pandemic is not unwelcome. ठीक है, सॉलिट्यूड जैसे मैंने कहा था आपसे, सॉलिट्यूड इज नथिंग बट इट इज लाइक a feeling of loneliness. Solitude is nothing but the feeling of loneliness. So we have been staying home during pandemic. We have been isolated. We have been kept in quarantine. ठीक है, so that is called when you leave your family, when you leave your friends, when you leave your office, you're sitting at home, work from home, and all sort of things have happened. But that was the only solution during a pandemic. If we want to face the crisis, if we want to face the pandemic, then solitude was the solution at the moment. And that is where you need to argue for. You need to write the points in favor, you need to write the points against that as such. Simple. Political awareness among the social elite is inconsequential. इसका भी अर्थ समझना है आपको क्या है? The meaning has to be understood. Political awareness among the society, political awareness among the society is inconsequential. मतलब the political awareness has to be generated among different sections of the society. If not, then it is going to be a problem. Political participation, political awareness, if even every section in the society, be it the male, the female, the old age, the handicapped, the children, SC, ST, BC, minority, each and every person should get the due respect, the due participation in the political spaces, in the political democracy of our country. That was the title which was asked. And if you observe, it is also one of the easiest titles. If you understand, not if you observe, but if you understand, that was also seeming to be the easiest part in the paper 2 as such. But that's what I said. The paper 2 arguments this time, they are not difficult, rather they are different. They are being asked differently. They are being asked to surprise you, to mesmerize you, to confuse you. And if you yourself are making yourself fallen into the difficult zone, into the confusing zone, into the unpredicted zone, then possibly you yourself are making negativity or creating a negativity in front of you. But yes, I admire, yes, I accept. मैं मानता हूँ आप सभी का बात. उस एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में बैठ करके 3 घंटे के समय में इस तरह का सोच किस तरह से आएगा करके भी आप सभी को लग रहा है. So this is what was slightly difficult in the paper 2 examination of 2020. Otherwise, all other parts were predicted, all other parts were easy, all other parts can easily be attempted and also get a good score. And I wish you are going to clear the CAP of 2020 with a brilliant scores in paper 1 as well as paper 2. The cutoff, I have already discussed about the cutoff of the CAPF examination. What we are predicting as a team of AVKS Academy, we have already given. And paper 2 also, we are going to come up with a model answer. What should have been the model answer for this particular essay and argument and report, and also the other parts of the paper 2 examination of CAPF 2020. So we are going to come up with a model answer and look at the model answer, look at the paper 1 key, look at the expected cutoff, and if you are in a positive zone, if you are in a safe zone, do make yourself fit by ensuring the physical examination test and also keep simultaneously preparing for the guidance interview and other programs and other latest stages as well. Clear all of you guys? So that's all for now. I think this is what was to be analyzed about the CAPF paper 2, and I wish you a very good luck for your future endeavors, and I thank each and every one of us, one of you people, for supporting the paper 2 in AVKS Academy in such a large scale. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.